Ka Deputy Commissioner Jong Khasi Hills I Kong RM Kurba ila pentit babaro ki pandal Durga Puja hakanong ba lada ban khmi bnya bat kham tam ki jaka balajit kerpang bat hapa ai jeng kren halor ke jekap nya ju ki jaka pat ba blawan ra di da keseng phalang I Kong Kurba ila Pyntikna ha ki la pathai kubor ba ki puja committee ki magistrate bat ki pulit ki la pet bnya bha halor ke ni ban Pyntikna ba ke jeng rakhi Durga Puja kan Iaid Beit Iaid Ryntih ila banjur halor ka jing burom yaladi ha kapor ka jing rakhi letniam but ila kedoru halor ka jing don kamban wanra ya ka syongsuk syongsngan kamtam ha ka jing letniam kaban wan kum ka Christmas but sengkut snem but kintiu ya ki bor pahara baro ki pandal puja la da pendat da ki CCTV camera bala penlong ka jing let pahara na ka benta ka syongsuk syongsngan menta usnem ka meglaya ka don Arspa Sanpuwe teli ki pandal puja balai snok tilang baka Central Puja Committee latno ki pandal shimet ki shipai bat ki pandal pulit.
As I said earlier, we are a secular country and we should accept, respect each other's faith, and we are ensuring that there is peace. All the puja committees are fixed with CCTVs to ensure that there's no incident that happens in the vicinity and also outside. So all these are being recorded, so to ensure that people who visit the committee, the puja mandap, is safe, and also people passing through will be safe. There should not be. I can appeal to everyone at this point of time. We do not create this kind of sense of disrespectful for any religion or.
Minta Khasi